Today we're taking a look at the Skyline 25 GT Turbo R34 from Fujimi. Hey everyone, and welcome into today's What's in the Box. And we're taking a look at the Nissan Skyline R34 25 GT Turbo 2-door sports coupe kit from Fujimi. Now, this is not a new kit. This was reissued back in 2017, and this tooling goes all the way back to about 1998 when it was first introduced. It's been reissued various times throughout the last couple of decades in various configurations and trims and everything, even a police variation. So Fujimi has definitely got some of their money's worth out of this tooling. So with that, let's get to it and let's check it out. And getting us started with the body. Take a look at the chassis and getting started with it for the parts. So these are just basic chassis with most of the engine drive shaft and front half of the exhaust molded in place. And moving on to the next of the chassis suspension parts tree. This has a little bit of everything on it. Now we get started taking a look at the interior parts tree. We're going to have the interior bucket, which literally has no interior door panel detail. It is completely blank in there. And the clear parts tree. Now take a look at the tires and wheels, which also includes the exhaust tips there. And you get a metal axle and some screen for the mesh screen for, I guess, the grill. And I'll take a look at the decal sheet. So that's about to do it for this look at the Nissan Skyline 25 GT Turbo from Fujimi. Pretty basic kit. And I no doubt, if you need some Skyline colors, our good buddy James to the Scalefinishes can get you some. So on that note, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.